Oh my god. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. And it doesn't matter. Today we are going to be making slime. What you will need is glue. Okay, let's see. There it goes. Saline solution and baking soda. Yeah. And a bowl and some slime. I meant a spoon. I have slime right here that I had already made. And you could get paint if you like want to put colors in it, which everyone does. So you're gonna get glue. Okay, I can't do this. Oh, that's why I was doing it the wrong way. Okay. There we go. You want to pour some in here. Not a lot. Only, you could do a lot, you could do a little, you could do whatever you want. And now you want to put the colors in. Okay, so you're gonna get a stick. Oh my gosh. So then you have your paint. Now you can do whichever color. I'm gonna do this like pinkish color, like skin color. I'm gonna put it in there. And you wanna keep on stirring till it gets that color that you want. I'm gonna add some brown. Okay, so we're just putting this one color, and it's not gonna like turn into slime right now. It's just gonna like have that color now when I'm done. So this is my color. You can't really see it. There it goes. You'll see right now when I'm done making it. So when you're done, oh my god, you can add glitter too if you want. I will add some red and green. Okay. Okay. You cook. Now I'm gonna mix it again. Okay. Now you wanna like, if it's all done, you wanna add some saline solution. You're gonna pour like a little. Then you wanna mix it again. Oh my god, that hurt. And then you see it like turning like that, but it doesn't turn to slime yet. You'll see it like, it looks like it's gonna turn to slime, but it isn't. So then you have to start mixing. Oh my god, why am I mixing with this? It's supposed to, you have to mix, you can mix with a stick or the spoon, or the spoon. You wanna start mixing. Oh god. And you'll just keep on mixing. Well, you don't have slime. Not yet. Not yet. Now you want to get the, if you had mixed it, you want to get the baking soda. Get a pinch of it. Then you want to start mixing it. And that's when it's going to start like turning into slime. You'll see it like that. And it should get really hard for you to like mix. Like, look, you see how it is right now? Oh god, this is hard. Look, you see how it is? It's forming into like a ball already. And it's like taking all of the stuff. Then you wanna like pull it out, and you wanna like start like going like that. Like how I have my blue one, I have this one now, but I didn't pour a lot of glue. I have it like a really little, just a little slime. As I was saying, like the glue, you could add like a lot of glue, you could add a little, or you could add how much you want, and it makes it like big. And then how I'm doing mine, it's already like done. So that is how you will be making slime, okay? I'm gonna do that. So that's how you make slime. If you want me to make like like any other videos, just put it in the comments and tell me what other videos you want, okay? Now bye you guys. See you later in my next video.